am excited about today's video on how to increase your credit score by 69 points using this AI software. This new software is a game changer, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you don't miss how to use this software to increase your credit score without having to do any of the work or pay anyone to do it for you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace, where we discuss all things money. I am very excited about today's video. I feel like this new AI software is one that will change your life and save you money and stress while doing so. So before I show you guys how to use this AI software, let's first go over a few basic details you need to know about your credit score. Your credit score is factored into 5 different categories that make up your credit score. 35% of your credit score is made up of payment history. 30% of your credit score is made up of your utilization, which is the amount used from your credit cards. 15% is the length of your credit history. 10% is from inquiries, and the last 10% is the overall credit mix of your accounts. According to the statistics, 1 in every 5 people have errors on their credit report, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use this AI software called Dolvy to remove any negative error on your credit report without having to know the credit laws or how to dispute any inaccuracies. Dolvy works by using an advanced credit engine that tracks, manages, and restores your credit on an ongoing basis. It is fully automated and you have access to use the software 24/7 without needing someone to help you. Dolvy is an AI software that shows you what is reporting on your credit report, what's considered negative, and once you've signed up for the program, it generates your dispute letters for you with a click of a button. This means no more paying credit repair companies $100 or more a month, no more being stressed out trying to learn the credit laws, and no more paying out more money to lenders because your credit isn't up to par. With Dolvy, you can begin the process for free today if you have 2 to 3 errors, or if you need unlimited disputes. Because you are a part of this wonderful community, you can access your first month with Dolvy for $9.99 a month, and after the first month in the program, you will pay $39.99 a month or a one-time $99.99 a year when you select the annual plan. But if you want to try Dolvy out before committing to the program and paying for it, I highly recommend that you sign up for the free version just to see how well it works for you, and then you can choose the paid version. Now, one of the best things I like about Dolvy, besides their unbeatable pricing, is within your Dolvy app you can get personalized offers to help you reach your financial goals. They will provide you with learning education and the tools you need to build your credit over time, which will boost your credit score. So I know you're wondering, how can I get signed up for this program? You can simply click the link in the description of this video and get signed up today. Once you have signed up for Dolvy, you'll be prompted to go over your credit reports, which will show you all of your accounts in good standing and your accounts in negative standing. From there, you will select all negative items that are reporting on your credit bureau reports, and you're going to dispute those negative items using Dolvy. Again, since this is an AI software, everything is completely done for you after you've selected the negative items. This means you won't need to print anything out to mail in, or you won't have to worry about creating letters of your own. You'll simply hit the click of a button and Dolvy will handle the rest. Once you've started your dispute process, it would typically take the credit bureau 30 to 45 days to respond to your disputes, and you can start seeing a score increase with Dolvy within 6 months or less. Some have even seen it within the first 30 days. This is going to bring us to the end of this video. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to share it with your family and friends and give me a thumbs up so it'll help our channel reach others who need this content. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace. Be sure to stick around for more upcoming videos just like this one. Bye.